I guess what's happening. Best passive income apps. Before you look for passive income app, decide your passive strategy. Passive income apps vary depending on how quote unquote passive you want. Investment income, savings yield, rental slash asset apps, task automation yield, digital royalties. Step two, safety in returns must be balanced. High returns with high risk aren't passive, they are speculative. Look for FDIC slash regulated coverage, clear risk disclosures, transparent fees, real yield sources, no hidden charges. Step three, top passive income app. App A, high yield savings or cash as taken, easy setup, daily compounding. App B, robo advisor, auto invests based on risk, auto rebalances. App C, content slash creator platforms, earn royalties slash ads, passive ones, content is live. Step four, how to set up for true passivity. Set recurring deposits, choose conservative portfolios, enable auto rebalancing, track monthly returns, adjust risk only quarterly. Passive income means automation, not manual chasing. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.